Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone and warm greeting to Mr. Musawarman as our respected lecturer. First of all, thank you for giving us the opportunity to present our project today. We are a group of 3 students and today we would like to present the result of our project, the redesign of the TRPL website into a mobile application for Android. My name is Zalfa Nurana Santoso and I will be the moderator for this presentation as well as one of the present. And here's my team.
My name is Hadarisa Kaunica.
My name is Muhammad Akmal Rizky.
Our main goal is to transform the existing TRPL website into a more user-friendly and responsive Android app, so it can be accessed more easily by user anytime and anywhere. Without further ado, let's begin our presentation. Okay, move to the first slide is about application. What is TRPL application? That the TRPL application is a mobile application designed to present information on the software engineering technology study program in more mobile-friendly format and easily accessible via smartphone. Display type. This application is designed using native Android components such as text view, image view, button, recycle view, and view pager 2. Developed using Kotlin for activity logic and XML for layout design. The current version focuses on UI display without backend integration. Platform, the application was developed using Android Studio with XML language for design and Kotlin for code structure intended for Android device.
Okay, next is dashboard view. Image button interactive. Here we use linear layout as a replacement for buttons and text view. When press the text view will appear and the linear layout will change color and the icon display will change as well. To carousel view pager. This display use view pager 2 as a container to display. Now the design is stored in a different XML. Then the design will be sent to the container, namely is view pager 2. The delivery as Kotlin as a communication aid or helper tool. Plus navigation bar. This navigation bar display is made using button navigation and add a menu element along with the item element which will be sent to button navigation.
And next slide, view lecture. This view uses a scroll view as the main container to allow vertical scrolling. Inside each lecture, each item is displayed using a card view with an image view on the left that has rounded corners via XML in a drawable. On the right side of the image, the lecture's name, title, and education info are neatly arranged using a linear layout for clean alignment.
Okay, move on to the next slide is for testimonial view. First is there is a carousel view page for testimonials, display with student testimonial in a swipeable carousel format, implemented using view pager 2 with data provided by testimony item and managed through testimony adapter. Second is a table view for career prospect is show a table listing potential career path for TRPL graduates, include column for job title, salary estimate, and reference search. Third is for carousel recycle view for our partner. Display partner logos in a horizontal slider. Use a horizontally oriented recycle view with logo adapter to handle image display.
Next slide. View facilities. The facilities page uses scrolling view as the main container to allow user to scroll through the content vertically. Inside, each facility item is displayed using a card view, which contains an image view on top to display the facility image, and a text view below to display the name and a brief description. The image is given a rounded corner, a vague via a drawable in the rest or drawable folder.
Okay, for the last slide is conclusion. The TRPL application is an Android-based mobile application designed to present information about the software engineering technology study program in a mobile-friendly and easily accessible format via a smartphone. The application was developed using Android Studio with Kotlin for activity logic and XML for layout design. Key features of the app include various UI components such as text view, image view, button, recycle view, and view pager 2. The design includes an interactive dashboard, button navigation bar, lecture profiles, student testimonials, career prospect, partner institution, and program facilities. Layouts are organized using container like scroll view and card view for better navigation and user experience. Although the current version of the app is not integrated with a backend, the primary focus is on creating an attractive and information user interface or UI. Okay, thank you. This is our presentation for the last slide.
Okay, here I will explain the code structure of the code dashboard. This view we use liner layout for header, and then this we use scroll view, and then here we use liner layout to make it like a button that can later be interactive when pressed. This also the same as the previous one. When pressed, the writing will appear. This is also the same as the previous one. And then use liner layout, text view, and this same like button previous. Nah, it is text off. Untuk mendapatkan kompetisi di atas, maka kamu akan belajar ini use text view, and it is image view, and then is the dots used Tubu Onomo and viewer pager 2. For the display the carousel information about TRPL. Next, daftar kurikulum. Here to display the semester tabel carousel. Then same like information about TRPL. And then this is a footer or navbar. Okay. In Kotlin Home, Here, the first thing to initialize first is to take the ID to enter it into the variable. This is work when the element with the ID VC header is pressed. The content of the VC content will appear. Next, when the VC content visibility is gone or not displayed, we'll execute it is content. Nah, else like if the visibility is present or display will execute the content. This is the same as the flow earlier. This is the same as the flow earlier. This is the same as the flow earlier too. Okay. Next, navbar. Code this mark the home items as the currently activity item. Code this listener to handle clicks on bottom navigation item, and code this if the home item is clicked, stay on the home page. Same it if lecturer item is clicked, move to lecturer activity. Code this if the testimonial item is clicked, move to the testimonial activity. If the facilities item is clicked, move to the facility activity. Okay, now set up view pager 2 and dots indicator for scrolling through info page. Nah, this is code list of card to show in the view pager. This code create adapter with the card list and attach to view pager, and this attach dots indicator to view pager to show scroll position. Next, set up pager 2 and dots indicator for scrolling through semester. This is the list of XML layout resource for each semester page, like XML semester 1, semester 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Nah, semester 1 layout XML for the design of the semester table in the home, which will later to be displayed in the home activity. Okay. Nah, for setup viewer pager scrolling through info page, we use card adapter and card item. Card item, this adapter is used to display the card item list in view pager 2. Each page in viewer pager 2 will display on card using the item card.xml layout. Code this view holder hold view from item card layout. Code this colored when view pager 2 needs to create a new card view. Okay, create one bin view holder from card item to each view in the card. And then discard total number of cards to display. Nah, it is a card item. The data class is used to store data from one card. Each card contains an image or icon, title, and description. Nah, uh, setup view pager and dots indicator for scrolling through semester. Use semester adapter. The code is same like card adapter. Semester adapter is used an adapter for view pager to display static layout for each page, one per semester. Nah, this code view holder hold the layout for each semester page. When view pager to need a new view holder page, it is code no binding need because layout are static. Then returns the total number of page. The last code is allowing each page to use different layout. Okay.
And this is docent view. The display, we use linear layout, and there this is header, section, back button plus title. And then this is image view for back arrow icon and spacer between icon and title. This is space. And then the title docent use text view, this. And the main content area, this is scrollable. We use linear layout and scroll view, and we use linear layout too. And then we use card view for lecture profile, and we use linear layout too, horizontal layout, image on the left, text info and on the right. And then image view for lecture photos, the side. And then we use rounded. We use linear layout, vertical layout, contains lecture names and educated info. And then we use text view for lecture name, this. And we use text view too for education. And yeah, the same structure with the different image and text. And the last, we use footer navigation bar on this. Okay. Okay, this is view of fasilitas. We use linear layout, and then for header section, back button and title, we use linear layout too. And this image view, back arrow icon, this. And view for spacer between icon and title. And then this is title fasilitas. We use text view. And the main content area, scrollable, we use linear layout too, scroll view, and then we use linear layout, and then text view for section title, fasilitas belajar lengkap dan nyaman, and we use divider line under title for this. For this underline, and then repeated card view for each facility. This is card for facility, and then we use linear layout, and we use image view, image of facility. This is this, and we use text view for the caption for facility, and the same struct with different image and text. And the last, we have footer navigation bar. And okay.
Okay, now I will describe for testimonial view. First is we got the header. We use linear layout for content testimonial, and for the back arrow, we use an image view, and for the title of testimonial we use text view, and this is for testimonial student with carousel. We use linear layout, and for the dots indicator we use a tube normal for display dots indicator below the view pager 2. For the carousel we use item testimonial design. For description, name and date. And for testimonial Kotlin, we use this a list of testimonial to be displayed. Before this, we use a Kotlin testimony adapter for display each testimonial item in the item testimony.xml layout. This variable we add 3 variables for field to description, name and date. And then for prospek kerja title we use text view, and for the table of profession we use table raw with text view. And for the next the below we use table raw. And then for sponsor, for the sponsor we use mitra kami is with text view, text and linear layout with background, and layoutnya we add new XML for item logo, is like for the container of the logo. And for the Kotlin we use inner class for use to hold and manage the image view from the item logo XML layout, and override fun on create view holder for call to create a new item view, and override fun on bind view holder to set the logo image into the image view based on the position in the logo list. And for override fun get item count for determines the number of item logo to display in the list. The function is logo list for provides image data or logo adapter for adapter that controls how images are displayed, and Recycle view is for display the list of the logo in the recycle view, and linear layout manager for arrange the logos in horizontal. Okay, that's all for me. For the next, we will run this project. Okay, now I will run the project. Here for the application, first we get the home or dashboard. And lecture information and testimonial for student, and for the profession, and for and facility of the campus. Okay, that's all. Okay, thank you for watching our presentation project on redesign the TRPL website into a mobile Android application. We hope you gain a clear understanding of our design concept and development process. If you have any question or feedback, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you again, and we look forward to your feedback. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.